Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download PayPal app on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to quickly download PayPal application for your iPhone, then the process is quite simple. Simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and make sure to get connected to one. Once you are, tap Open App Store. In the search bar appearing on your App Store, type in PayPal. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see PayPal application displayed on the next page. Tap the download button right next to the app in order to begin with the download. Now all you need to do is to wait for your application to be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. PayPal is a secure online payment system that allows you to pay for products online and send and receive money. You may use PayPal to make purchases online with participating stores once you link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to your account. It acts as a go-between your bank and merchants, ensuring that your payment information is kept. Once the application gets downloaded, tap on the Open button right next to it to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily get PayPal application downloaded on your iPhone. In order to sign up or create a new account for PayPal, first make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile devices. If you're doing this on your computer, go ahead and type in www.paypal.com and reach to the official website of PayPal. Once you have the application for yourself, tap it open, and the very first interface of PayPal will look like this. If you already have an account, go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and tap log in. But if you don't have an account yet and you are trying to create one, tap the sign up button beneath the login button. You'll need to add in your mobile number after selecting your country from the drop down. Make sure to enter the correct mobile number that you have an access to, since you'll need to verify your mobile number for your PayPal account. Once you enter the mobile number, tap the next button. On the next page, the verification code will be sent to your mobile number that you just entered. Once you receive it, type it in or paste it in. On the next page, enter an email address for your account and create a new password for your PayPal account that you'd like to use. While creating a password, make sure that your password is 8 characters or longer. You can use both upper and lowercase letters, at least one number and a symbol. Once you enter the password and your email for your account, tap the next button at the bottom. Now set up your profile by typing in your first name, your middle name if available, and then your last name. Now choose your date of birth information from the toggle menu beneath. Finally, tap Next at the bottom. Now type in your address into the search box. Once you do that, go ahead and enter rest of the information and tap on this box right here that says I agree to be bound by PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, tap on Agree and create account at the bottom. Now, you'll need to link a debit or a credit card so that you can send money or shop at ease. You can enter your card number right now or tap on Skip and do it later, which is located at the upper right. You can get push notifications on your phone that will get you alerts on activity and keep your account secure. To do so, tap on Enable Push Notifications, or you can skip this step by tapping on Not Now. Finally, you can see this kind of an interface where it says Welcome, which means you've successfully signed up for an account, and that is how it would look like. To log into your PayPal app using your iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded the PayPal application and make sure that you created an account. Once you have it, you can tap the app open. If you don't have an account yet, tap Sign Up and register yourself to a new account. If you already have one, you can tap the Login button at the bottom left. To log into your existing PayPal account, you'll need your email address and the password associated with the account. Make sure to enter your credentials correct. Start off by typing in your email address and the password. Type in your email address associated with PayPal into the first text box. On the next field, type in your password. After you are done typing in your password, you can tap the Login button. But in case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link right beneath the box and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Finally, tap the Login button. On the next page, tap on I'm not a robot. Complete the security check and tap on Verify. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your PayPal account with your iPhone. If you've forgotten your PayPal account's password during the login in process and you don't know what to do next, simply follow the steps. Here, let me tap open my PayPal app first. You must know that in order to get logged into your account, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password that you set during the sign up process for PayPal. But sometimes there might be cases when you don't remember your password at all. So in that case, right when it asks for your password, simply tap on the Forgot Your Password link beneath the box. On the next page, confirm your email address. It might be already typed in, but if you've not done that yet, make sure to type in the correct email address associated with your PayPal. In case you don't remember your email as well, you can tap on Forgot Your Email link right next to Next button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to find your email address. Once you have your email address, tap on Next. On the next page, you have an option to receive a text message on your mobile number that is associated with your PayPal account. Tap the Next button to receive it. Now wait until the security code arrives on your mobile number, and once it does, type it in or paste it in. Finally, tap the Continue button after you are done. On the next page, you can go ahead and reset your password to a new one. Create a new password that you are trying to change to for PayPal. Once you type in your password that you are trying to reset to, confirm your password on the next field by typing it again. You have an option to tick this box right where it says log out of all devices. This can be done for your security as well. If your PayPal account is logged in with other devices, you'll be able to tick on this box and log out of all devices where PayPal is logged in. Finally, tap on the Save button and you'll be able to reset your password to a new one for PayPal. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. In order to change your PayPal account's password, you won't be able to find an option within the application for PayPal. So simply tap open your Safari and in the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com and search. Log into your PayPal account with the help of a web browser. Make sure to enter your credentials correct. Once you're logged into your PayPal account with the help of a web browser, tap on the hamburger menu from the main home page, which is located at the upper left-hand corner. Now, tap on the gear button in the upper right, and this will bring up this menu. From the top of the page, tap on Security option. You'll be able to see an option that says Password. Tap it on, and on the next page, you'll get to change your password for your PayPal account. Type in the current password for your account in the first text box. Soon after you're done, head over to the next field where it says New Password and type in the new password that you want to change to. Confirm the new password that you just typed in by typing it again in the next field where it says Confirm New Password, and make sure that both of the passwords in the last two text box matches. Finally, tap Change Password and you have successfully changed your password for PayPal account. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the new password that you just changed to. Changing your password for your PayPal account is a great option if you want to keep your PayPal account secure now and then from possible threats. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap open your PayPal application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Wallet button located at the bottom right hand corner. Right where it says Wallet, tap the plus icon next to Cards. Now select one of the options from the display. You'll need to enter your password for your PayPal account. In order to do that, enter your credentials correct and tap Login. Soon after you do that, you can now add your gift card by typing your gift card number into the text box and tap the Next button. Once you add a credit card or a payment method, tap the Next button at the bottom. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to add a gift card for PayPal as well. That is how it can be done. To log out of PayPal app on your iPhone, from the main home page of PayPal application, tap on the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner. This will bring up your profile page. Now what you'll need to do is simply scroll all the way down from this page until you find the Log Out button. Give it a tap once you spot it, and there you have been logged out of a PayPal account. Quite simple, isn't it? Now to log in back to your PayPal account, you'll need to go ahead and enter your correct password and your email address, and Once it is correct, you should be able to log in back again. That is how you can easily log out of your PayPal account using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.